If you live in North India, get those sweaters out and of course the mufflers out as well. Delhi is set to welcome the new year amidst a cold wave. The maximum parts of North India are reeling under severe cold conditions. National capital Delhi recorded minimum temperature of 5 degrees Celsius this morning. Cold to severe cold wave is likely to hit Delhi NCR from 30th of December and expected to last till 3rd January, according to the Met Department. The minimum temperature may fall to 3 to 4 degrees Celsius during this particular period. For Punjab and Haryana, IMD has predicted isolated rains, thunder showers today. Shimla receives season's first snowfall. IMD has also forecast rainfall and snowfall in Jammu and Kashmir. Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand are under the influence of a western disturbance between Sunday and Monday.
We are on Amritsar-New Delhi National Highway. We can see a thick fog in and around this national highway, and the visibility has been reduced significantly. Chandigarh, Punjab, Haryana are experiencing under extremely cold weather conditions after the new western disturbances came. The state capital of Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, received season's first snowfall, and the tribal areas particularly are reeling under extremely cold weather conditions. The temperatures in Kelang has dipped as low as 12 degrees. The Met Department has predicted that similar weather conditions will prevail between 28th of December till 21st of December. And in an impact-based advisory, people have been asked not to consume alcohol as it can lead to some health complications. With the video journalist Dilip Sahu, this is Manjeet Sehgal in Rajpura for India Today.
After the fresh snowfall on Sunday night across the hilly areas of Kashmir Valley, the temperature had further declined across the Jammu and Kashmir. In the Srinagar, the previous night temperature recorded was -3 degrees, while as in the areas, particularly in the hilly areas, the temperature further declined. In Gulmarg, the mercury dipped to -5 and in Pahalgam to -6. In fact, in the hilly areas of the Kashmir, it is the severe cold wave, and Met Department has predicted that in coming days, this cold wave will intensify. The fresh snowfall was witnessed in Kishtwar, at Jawahari Tunnel, in Katra, as well as in the regions of Ladakh and Kargil. In fact, the temperatures in the Leh have reached to -16 in night, and in the Kargil, they have already come down to -15. The Dras, second coldest habitat on the earth and in the world, has already marked the -20 degree temperatures in this winter. And the Met Department has said that at the year end, there will be further decline in the temperatures, but the weather will remain clear, which will bring the snowy and windy waves from the mountains to the plains. And also it will decline the temperatures in the northern parts of the country. Ashrafani for India Today in Srinagar.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.